Today's Hot Wheels 2022 72 count H case unboxing is brought to you by A&J Toys. Once again, I mentioned in the G case unboxing, we're a little behind. It's awesome that A&J Toys was able to send me these, and also a US case. You can tell by the code. Sometimes it's international. I haven't done an A&J Toys unboxing in a while since I did the G case. I mentioned it's been a little slow. The demand for these cases has been so high. Targets, Walmarts, Kroger's, they get precedent, and the rest of us kind of wait. But you can get these cases at A&J Toys. It's anjtoys.com. I would definitely do that. That can make sure that you get what you want if you're having a hard time finding it, which I have been. Some of those cars that I pulled from the G case, I did not. I haven't found in store. So let's open up the H case here. Try and forget what model. I've seen some H case models in the stores. Picked up a couple. I believe the Super Treasure Hunt we're looking for because Mattel sent them to me. It's funny. I'm using my phone and I just got a text from Mary and I just said that Mary sent them to me. 2020 Jaguar F-Type is the Super Treasure Hunt we're looking for. Very, very cool in this gunmetal Spectre Flame color with the TH there. One of those. The best description is plain supers, but plain sounds boring. These aren't boring. They're just very, very cool looking. Nice and clean super. I don't know if that's what you want to call it. But let's go ahead and open this up. See what we've got inside. Excited to have a look. All right. Oh, starting off with a doozy. My daughter will be happy with that. 47 Chevy Fleet Line in Moon Eyes livery. And how cool is that? That just fits perfectly. That's a cast that's been around for a long time. Nice to see it there. Shelby Cobra 427 SC. Been a while. Well, let's see. It was a Super Treasure Hunt last year, right? So now it comes in the Hot Wheels Racing. And then there's that Earth Day Carbonator. They do those tool type things. All right, this is new. Audi E-Tron Gt, another of the green speed. We saw the, what was it last? We saw the Hummer and a couple of others. The Lucid, right? Air from last time. Now this one adds to that mix. Kit Super Pursuit Mode and the Ford Mustang. Let's go ahead and I should create my little highlight pile, right? So those two definitely go in the highlight pile. Sweet Driver, another one of those Rio Asada originals, like donuts and everything else. It's kind of cool. There's the See Me Rollin', and there's the Ford Focus RS. By the way, I apologize for the paint on my thumb because we're doing some projects here on this long weekend. TV series Batmobile, there's always one of those. Custom 70 Honda, love that. That's from the last case. So is this 57 Chevy in gold. Tooligan, we've seen that. Volvo 850 State, we've seen that. Drifta, I think we've seen that. There's that Koenigsegg we saw from the last mix. There's the Track Ripper, and there's that Porsche 935 from the last mix, which is fantastic in blue. Happy to have that. I believe I pulled all these from the last mix. The Mazda RX-3, Cyber Speeder, and this Street Cleaver. Maybe the Cyber Speeder is new to this case. Another Porsche, no complaints. Ford GT, 2017 Ford GT. That one looks a little, that wheel looks like a little, I don't know, maybe it's a little off. I don't know. Sometimes that happens. But been a while since you've seen that one. Nice and clean. Ford GT, and there's another one of the Audi RS E-Tron. Alfa Romeo, Jeep Gladiator recolor in white, and there's the Tesla Roadster. I showed this one together with the Tesla Roadster in the upcoming Matchbox Mix 5. I think Matchbox wins the Tesla Roadster contest in terms of castings, but there it is. First time it's in the basic range. Not considered a new model because it debuted in ID, right? In that ID mix that no one has found, and also in premium. All right. Dimacini Veloci. This is done like in a classic, like Italian model, and then Dima, you know that Dima's the designer for Hot Wheels. This is an original by him. It's fantastic. I love when they play off these themes for these originals. I think that model is superb. Ford Focus RS, and the Dodge Charger. I'm going to put that one in the highlight pile for sure. Another tool, the Tooligan. There's the Volkswagen Käfer Racer from the last mix. That was the Super, and the Lotus Sport Elise, which was also from the last mix. And we finish off with a big bunch of last mix cars, right? The Hummer, which is great. TV Series Batmobile, and the custom Honda. Let's move. Not a lot of room here, so I'm going to move this over, and let's see what is in the bottom half. We're going to start right away with the Jag. So there's the Blade Raider. There's the Jag F-Type in black, and the Snowstormer. We'll pull out the Jag, because if it... Where's that Super? Here it is. This is kind of like, what was it, the RX-7 last year, right? The RX-7 was black, and then there was the Super that was the same kind of gunmetal color. Both look cool. Kind of wish they would have used the 10 spokes on that, but the J5s look good. That's a nice combination. Really dig the Super. I think the only difference, obviously, is the Hot Wheels logo and the TH logo there. It's not on that, right? So that one's nice and clean. All right, cool cars. Seen the NSX. We've also seen the Subaru WR. No, we haven't seen this recolor in red. And there's the Back to the Future Time Machine with the disc wheels, right? Don't think we've seen those wheels on there, but that makes sense on that casting. Range Rover Classic looking cool in that Expedition logo. Bully Goat and the Lotus Sport Elise. I'll put that Range Rover in the highlight pile. Okay, so I've had the question about this in the BMW R9t Racer. Have you seen there's a variation on this? I have actually seen this in stores with the spokes colored in. This one does not have the spokes colored in. So I think we're seeing both black wheels and chrome wheels. The collector who messaged me about this, there you go. I get the black wheels. I've seen the chrome or silver wheels at the store. So that's kind of cool. So there's a variation alert on the new BMW casting. Volkswagen Baja Bug, that looks nice in that deco. Eibach, there's the Eibach logo too. And then the Ford Mustang Mach E1400, I think that's the recolor, in red. Okay, custom small block. There's another Knight Rider. There's another Käfer Racer. Track Manga in red. That's cool. Here's a new model, 95 Jeep Cherokee. Love that in green. This casting has been a hit. A lot of people talking about how much they love this one, and I'm with you. I think it is fantastic, and so is that. Recolor of the McLaren F1 GTR in kind of a silver and orange color. So two highlights out of that trio we'll throw in the pile. Koenigsegg again. How about this recolor of the Ford GT40 Mark IV in white with the Gulf colors? I think that looks superb. That's a highlight. And then another carbonator. Batmobile. There's the Locomotorin, cool in gold. And another DiMacchini Veloci. Seen it, awesome. Seen it, awesome. Seen it, awesome deco. Lucid Air, seen that one from the last mix. There's another Trek Manga. There's your regular treasure hunt. So this is a nice one. It's the Morris Mini in yellow. There's your treasure hunt symbol right there. Cool casting. Done well. I think a lot of people like that. Some people have said it reminds them of the Super Treasure Hunt from, or actually it was just a treasure hunt when they just did treasure hunts. There was no Super Treasure Hunt from 2005 maybe? It's a good one. I think I have that one loose. So that's a nice one. I kind of like the Gold Duck better from the last mix. Recolor of the Bronco in red. There's another Jeep Cherokee, and there's the electric track. And we finish off with another BMW cycle. So I get the black wheels again. So there's the variation. See what you find. Black wheels or silver wheels or whatever, spoked wheels. 57 Chevy and the Blade Raider. What are the highlights in this one for me? Jeep Cherokee, McLaren F1 GTR, that regular treasure hunt. Recolor of the GT40, the Range Rover. Definitely the Jags, the Super and the regular. And the DiMachini Veloci, the Moon Eyes 57 Chevy Fleetline, and the Audi RS E-Tron GT. That's a good little mix. You guys tell me what you think. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, A&J Toys. Go snag yourself a case. Bye.